This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Janice Johnson. Are you looking for space and a split floor plan? 3-bedroom off-front hallway with guest bath. Master bedroom with full bath with jetted tub, separate shower stall, and double vanity. Formal living room, formal dining room and a den. Kitchen made for cooking with a large pantry and a separate laundry room. Fully fenced yard with a storage unit. Carport and Parking Pad. Showing will start on Monday, August 10, 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Johnson at 501-835-2121.